Okay, how's this for our new Friday night lineup? 8 o'clock, Druids on Parade, then the Volcano Worshippers Hour, followed by Underwater Bingo for teens, and Fun with Dirt.
Why not?
Oh, get this, I get a call this morning from a guy who says he can swallow his own face. Can you believe that? Bob? What you got there?
The ratings.
Don't tell me we actually showed up on the list.
We're number one.
Say what?
We beat out the networks. This is unbelievable. Look at these numbers. We've got 3 shows in the top 5. Stanley Spadowski's Clubhouse went through the roof. He got a 60 share. Do you know what this means? We're finally gonna have some real money. George, we're the #1 station in town.